Bistrot Baron, Émilie, Culture, Le Vent Boulangerie.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the Education Foundation of Aku Podomoro and our rector, Dr. Cosmas Batubara, I am pleased to welcome you to Podomoro University.
I hope you will enjoy the wonderful cuisine from our region of Provence on the 21st of March, and that it will open your appetite to discover more of our beautiful country. Thank you very much, merci, and bon appétit. Thank you.
One of the story why we would like to be part of Good France this year is because we are very happy to deliver our education, and we are very proud that around 30 students of Podomoro University has been doing their internship in France as well.
In Indonesia, but all over the world, promote sustainable food, struggling against waste, so limiting the quantity of waste, recycling. So we like to put a ban on the plastic, one-use plastic cutlery, for instance. That's an initiative that we have just taken in France. So the idea this year is to promote sustainable food and sustainable approach to food and eating.